Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a customer in your Xero software? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a customer from your Xero software anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're sending out emails reminding people of their invoices, sometimes they write back with a nasty message and pay you. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete one of your customers, you're going to click on contacts here on the top left. Once you do that, you can either choose all contacts or customers. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose all contacts. Once you do that, you'll see a list of all of your customers or all your contacts in Xero. So just scroll through until you find the person you would like to delete. If you have a huge list of contacts, you can go ahead and use the search bar and search by their name. So for today, we'll go ahead and delete Ralph. So what you're going to do next is you can go ahead and check the box next to their name. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on archive. All right, once you do that, it's going to let you know that that person will be archived and deleted from your customer list. However, the transaction history will remain. So if that's okay with you, go ahead and click on archive. Also, if you don't want to check the box next to them, you can go ahead and click on the three dots and do the same thing, archive. And then also another way you can do this is you can go ahead and click into their name. Once you click into their name up here on the top right, you can click on these three dots. Okay, so once you click there, you want to go ahead and click on archive as well. Okay, now so when we go back to our contacts and all contacts, you'll see that person has been archived. So they're not going to receive communication from Xero any further. Now, the unfortunate thing is you cannot permanently delete them because they are intertwined with your Xero account. So while they're not going to receive communication, you can go right here to archive and you're going to see that person right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete one of your customers from your contact list, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you're looking to permanently remove them from your Xero account, unfortunately, you can't do that, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. But this will prevent them from receiving communications from your contacts in Xero. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.